Welcome back to Awesome Kids. So yeah, today I'm going to be playing with some slime. I'm probably just going to be fixing it too. I think that's a lot, so. Okay, what I put it in it was this. It's lotion, and then I'm putting in some shaving cream. Okay, I think that's good enough. I'm gonna get a spoon right by me. But currently it is 3 a.m. I forgot to tell you guys. But how did I forget? I don't know. So yeah, I'm just gonna right now leave that slime alone. Let that melt in there, and hopefully nothing bad happens to me. But first, I'm gonna wash my hands. So I'm gonna go into. Oh my God, I can't talk today. So alright, guys. So I'm gonna turn off this light and go into the living room. To prove everyone's asleep. So I gotta be quiet because they're like right down that hallway. And my mom and dad and sister left the TV on. So yeah, hold on, I'll be back. So to prove that there's no one on the couch and to prove that there's all asleep. But I'm not going to go in the bedroom because I'll probably get in trouble. So I'm kind of whispering. That couch. There's no one there except for my doggy. See? Okay. And then on the floor. Except for my dog. And then on the couch. On the other couch, there's. Yeah, let's see. Oh my God, it's hard to tell. So, oh my God. There's no one there? Oh my God. Okay, I don't know if you guys saw that. This pillow just got thrown at me. Did you just see that go by? Oh my God. I don't know what's happening. I'm just thinking that, like, dogs or something. Okay, now I'm starting to... Whoa. That was super close to hitting me in the face. Okay, guys. Okay, now I'm thinking that it's, like, not the dogs. So, I'm just throwing it at the couch. Shoot. And then, ready, steady, go. Yes. Oh, sorry, Remy. So, oops, I gotta be super quiet. So, I don't know if you guys have seen yet, but I lost my 2 front teeth. If you know massage, you pull out this one. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God. I'm just gonna take a step back, and I really want to go to bed. But before I go to bed, I have to say goodbye whenever I want, and I have to check on my fish. But it is actually 3 a.m. Don't know if you guys can see any of them, but I'll show you them. I still don't know if you guys saw them, but I have to be super duper quiet. Because my mom and dad are in that room. They don't even know I'm awake. So right now I don't know even what to do. So I'm just gonna spray some perfume on me. Smelling for you. Good smell. Okay. Okay, I'm gonna show you what I made. Shh, I don't want them to know I am awake, but I gotta whisper. I mean, I can talk like this loud, but I still have to whisper. Okay, I'm gonna take this pencil out, that one, and like get a new one. Like I'm gonna get this fairy one, and just, there's gonna, I don't know if you guys could tell, but there's tons of sparkles in here, and it's super pretty. And I don't know if something's bad gonna happen, but, and yeah, I should probably end the vlog, so I'm gonna end it. So, thank you guys all for watching. See you guys next time. Bye! Hold on, gotta shut this lid and I'll say bye. Bye! Just kidding. It was just a skit. Yeah. It is not 3 a.m. My dad's the only one asleep, and my sister. My mom was just hiding underneath covers. Say hello to my mama. Yeah, so it is not 3 a.m. Sorry if I spooked you out. But yeah, it is. It's not like late, but like it's not like late, but it's late. See, it's dark. So, before we leave, let's check on the slime. Ooh. Ooh. Ah. And make sure to check out my Musical.ly account. I have 2 Musical.ly's accounts. So make sure to check those out. I forgot what my other one is called, but I know my first one. I forgot. Be Pretty and Pink /101 or .101. I don't know. Try both of those if you need to. But yeah. Bye. Hold on. Let me end the vlog. Come on. And bye. Bye. Oh my God. Bye.